In this video, I'll guide you through how to order a Capital One card. Whether you're looking to earn rewards or just want a reliable credit card, applying for a Capital One card is straightforward and can be done right from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you need to access the Capital One website. If you prefer using your phone, you can also open the Capital One mobile app. Both platforms are intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring you have a smooth experience. Once you're on the homepage, take a little time to browse through the available credit card options. Capital One offers a variety of cards tailored to different needs, whether it's travel rewards, cash back, or building credit. Make sure to read through the benefits and features of each card to determine which one best suits your financial goals. Once you've made your decision, simply click on the card of your choice and you'll see an option that says Apply Now. Clicking this will start your application process. This is where you'll need to provide your personal details. Take your time to carefully fill in the information, including your name, address, income, and any other required details. Accuracy is key here to ensure your application is processed without any hitches. After you have completed the form, go ahead and submit your application. The approval process is often quick, taking anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. During this time, Capital One will review your information to determine your eligibility. It's a brief wait, so hang tight. If your application is approved, congratulations. Your new Capital One card will be on its way to your mailing address. The card typically arrives within a few business days, so keep an eye out for it in your mailbox. And there you have it. That's how to order a Capital One card. It's a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Capital One's customer service is always available to help. Thank you for watching and happy card shopping.